is Shaura Sanajit Tulsian and welcome to Good Home Style File. As a part of their Stay Indoors, Stay Inspired campaign, I'm going to be taking all of you through my balcony today. In our balcony, which is why I wanted this spot to be perfect and really cozy. So let me take you through the first corner of this balcony. I have this huge swing right here which can fit up to 2 people. Now the best part about this swing is that this was gifted by my parents, so this has like a nice emotional touch and value to it. Moving on to the back of this swing, we have these 4 handmade planters. And now the most interesting part is that all of this is handmade, hand painted. We didn't buy it from anywhere, but we tried to match the pots, the white and silver combination, and we've continued that throughout the balcony. So I'm going to give you a closer look of the wall right there. So I was talking about the wall. If you notice, the base is pearl white and we've added a silver color to it. All of this is hand painted as well. So that's exactly how the wall looks. We've started the entire wall painting from there and right up to that corner. Moving on to the bigger sit out right here. This is where we spend our mornings for breakfast, our evenings for tea and coffee, and also spend time with friends. If you notice, the color scheme is white, silver, a bit of teal, and a lot of fresh color like green. I forgot to mention that we've also added artificial grass under the swing. So I'm just going to request you to quickly turn around and just check out the green that we've added. So the entire corner looks really fresh. So yeah, moving on this side. This is my favorite spot. So we've added a nice white sofa right here. Then we have 2 grey colored seatings right here for us to sit, chill, relax. I love how the rug quickly just transforms the entire corner into a very warm and cozy space. We've picked this table up from Pepperfry, and this is a tray that I've added with a planter and a candle. We've also kept some magazines right here for if we're just sitting alone or if we have someone over. The entire wall right here, if you notice, there are 2 hand painted candles again right here. We've actually tried to cover the ducts behind, and because I shoot a lot in this balcony, so if I need to do close up, these paintings and these canvases add a nice backdrop to my pictures, which is why most of the corners in my house are well thought of with a lot of detailing so that I could also utilize it in my shoots. So the wall stretches up right till here, the one which is hand painted, and then there was this window. We've added a nice vintage touch to it, added a lot of artificial succulents right here. Now to make this entire space a little more private, we've added this entire wooden cutout right here, and we've added these 3 planters. The planters are again handmade, and this is powder coated so that it matches to the color of the entire balcony. Moving to this side of the balcony, now this is where we've kept the real planters. We've made the fencing white again, which is in the theme of the entire balcony. We've also added some pebbles right here so that we do not see the space underneath. So this also adds a nice fresh feel to the entire balcony. So this is my entire balcony. There's one last thing that I want to show you. It's the ceiling. Now because I wanted the entire balcony to look like an extension to the drawing room, and I did not want any open space, which is why we've covered the ceiling as well with white acrylic sheet. If you notice, the bulbs and the hangers right here, they're all handmade and hand painted. You wouldn't find it anywhere. And we've also kept in mind the color scheme, which is grey, white and blue. So yeah, this is the entire balcony space. We've actually taken a lot of effort and a lot of thought process has gone behind it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments below and let me know which is your favorite corner and your favorite thing. And I'm going to see you really soon. Bye!